Holzhair at the Ligna in Hanover. Experience our newest innovations and highlights. Vertical CNC machining with our best performers, the Evolution 7402 and 7405 Connect. The Evolution models offer complete, versatile and universal machining on all four edges in spite of their extremely low space requirement in your workshop. The new must-have feature for the 7405 format and Connect is the optional door package. It allows complete machining of door blanks with a maximum thickness of up to 70 millimeters. Before machining, it is necessary to cut panels of all types of material to the proper dimensions. This makes vertical panel saws from the Sector series the perfect supplement to Holzhair's vertical Evolution CNC machines and edge banders. The latest feature on all Evolution models is the laser plausibility check. Here, the exact height of the workpieces is read out of the machining program. This value is checked by a quick test run in the machine, and any deviation in the tolerance is output as an error message. This accessory feature prevents operating errors and helps minimize material waste in your workshop. At Ligna, Holzhair introduces the XCut package for the Evolution models. With this package, the vertical CNC machines automatically produce the required workpieces from panel strips previously cut in the longitudinal direction. The XCut package completely eliminates crosscuts otherwise required. The machine operator activates the XCut mode with one click and then positions the required panel strips. The vacuum cups are automatically positioned on the machine. The material-friendly vacuum is activated and the machine started. During this machining process, a fully automatic feature measures the parts and performs a plausibility check. The software for the XCut mode lists all jobs pending on the machine. This provides the machine operator with a perfect overview of all jobs and the required strip material. The Evolution then starts four-sided formatting with optimized cutting, and the strips are cut to the precise length, machined and drilled as required. The longitudinal laser automatically detects the end of the panel in the X direction and, when required, produces a remnant with connecting strips. The machine operator can simply break off the remnant and finish machining the workpiece without interruption. The same is accomplished in the Y direction. This process ensures that the entire surface of the panel strip is utilized optimally. Naturally, workpieces can also be processed as semi-finished products. For this purpose, the panel strips are edged and buffered after longitudinal cutting, but edge banding can also be attached as usual at the conclusion of CNC machining. The Holzhair edge banders offer the perfect supplement to the Evolution CNC machines and the Sector line of vertical panel saws. Together, they form an efficient production cell for state-of-the-art carpentry shops.